2016 SRT8 Dodge Challenger. This thing's coming in here for custom exhaust. He's wanting to straight pipe it. Brembo brakes from the factory. This thing is aggressive, y'all. Alright, this is going to be, no, you ain't got to rev it. It's going to be before we do the exhaust. Just crank it up. Anytime you're going to go cut anything, make sure you wear safety glasses. So we're straight piping this. So we're going to cut the mufflers from right here. Try and get it as close to the muffler as we can so we're not using that much pipe. So we're going to cut these two out right here. And then after we cut those ones and weld in pipe there, we're going to cut this one out right here. And we're going to be keeping the stock tips on this. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this muffler off right here. I'm getting ready for it well. And if you got a beard like I do, stay far away or find something to cover it up.
You actually hate to see a grease fire.
Ha 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 ha. Fuck them. Alright, that side over there is tacked in. I'm just gonna double check this one. Go ahead and tack it in.
Sounds like popcorn. Either your wire speed is too high or your heat ain't hot enough. Or it could be a combination of both. Can't tell you what the settings are because they do vary from welder to welder and also with the mixture of the gas.
Alright, there we go. One more tack. Alright, well now that that's tacked in, we're going to go ahead and finish cutting out the back and get a piece of pipe welded in for right there. So for right now, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and pause it, get the other one cut up, get it put in here, and then we'll do a little speed up of welding it all the way in. So see you in a bit. Alright, weld's done. I'm just going to clean everything up real quick and then spray it down with some paint, y'all. Alright, you guys, so all the welds are done on it. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to clean the welds up and then spray paint them with a little bit of spray paint. That way it doesn't flash rust and you won't have any rust problems later on in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it up right now on this, and then we'll get a sound clip what it sounds like afterwards. So be right back with you guys, okay? Alright, you guys, so we just got done with the exhaust. We're going to go ahead and do a crank up. That way it knows what it sounds like. This is after doing the exhaust straight pipe. Oh yeah, so much better. You see what it sounds like under a load?
Yeah, a lot of that here is those tips. That's why I don't like it.
It's a beautiful car though. 392 Hemi SRT8. Get customers' approval, we'll light it up. Hey, what you think, man? What you think? Another satisfied customer, y'all. Another satisfied customer.